How to find your PayPal account number in PayPal. So hello everyone, so in today's video, I will show you guys on how to find your PayPal account number. So the first thing that you need to do is to just go to paypal.com. And then after that, what you want to do is just go to the gear icon in the upper right corner of the screen, which is just the settings. And then after that, if you have the direct deposit feature, you'll see a setup or view direct deposit listed on that page. So you would want to click on that. And then after that, you'll then see your PayPal direct deposit information. So this includes your routing and account numbers you need to supply to your employer on that page. Then after that, you can now copy those down onto your direct deposit form from your employer, noting that your account is a checking account, and return it to your employer. So yeah, so what you need to do is to set up a direct deposit account in PayPal, which can just be found in the account settings. And then after that, just fill in the details to set up your direct deposit account in PayPal. And then from there, you can now see your PayPal account number. So yeah, that is pretty much it on how to find your PayPal account number in PayPal.